Whoa, it's a new video. 3D pen versus Pancake challenge. And our favorite characters are here as well. Wednesday and Enid.
Yes.
The teacher will give them a task. They will have to draw it. One with pancake dough, one with a 3D pen. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started. Enid, stop messing around. Girls, please pay your attention. You can start with a snake. Beautiful. Great, your time is on. Let me charge the 3D pen. Drawing the snake, starting with red color. Yes, it's great. Black eyes. Enid, stop laughing. I'm sorry, Wednesday. Well, your snake is very funny. Well, let me get started as well. Here's the black outline, then filling everything with red color. Adding some details. It's going to be a colorful snake. Incredible! You guys, I really like it. I bet you've never seen a snake like this in real life. It is definitely one of a kind. And it's not scary at all. Thing, we need to ruin Annette's pancake. I'll distract her. Hi, Annette. This is the first time you've asked. Everything is great. I have such a nice… what? Your time is up. Wednesday. Oh, it looks bad. Annette? What did you do? Oh, I don't get it. It's impossible. I'm sorry, Enid, but Wednesday is the winner. Congratulations on your victory. Here is the snake. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. Enid, wanna pet it? No! It's so beautiful. Your next prize is a pink car. I think you'll be delighted with it. The one who draws it better gets it. I want it! Time is on. I need to start as soon as possible. Taking black dough, shaking it, and starting with an outline. It will be the best car in the world. Adding some colorful details. And not forgetting about pink dough. I can drive this car to school. Look how beautiful. I'm thrilled. I'll make it black. Yeah, that way I want this car. Let's start with my 3D pen. I'll make it completely black right away. Well, well, well. That was rather easy. I am done. Wednesday! Good! Well, your time is up. Wednesday?
What?
But the car is pink. Sorry, but that's not it. Okay, I don't care. Enid?
Yes.
Oh, how beautiful! You get the keys to this fancy car. The best day of my life! Wow! I already love it! But it's kind of small. Oh! I did it! Perfect! Let's go! Teacher, is there a new prize? Oh, I completely forgot. Right, you can draw a skull. I want this. Ew! Your time is on. Let's get started. What color should I use? Let's take white. I've been drawing skulls since I was a kid in my gloomy art school. I used to draw cemeteries, graves, and everything. Like that. Yeah, perfect. I knew it would be easy. Incredible. I'm definitely gonna do better than Enid. Look for yourself. Well, we're almost there. A few details left. And done. Enid, you did nothing.
I don't really know what to do. Well, let's start with black, I guess. I've got an idea. I'm gonna make my skull beautiful. It's like a girl who's in love. It will be so sweet. Look at the beautiful hearts in the eyes. Lovely. Aww.
Enid is trying to get around again. I won't give up so easily. Huh.
No! Don't come near me, monster!
Wednesday, this is so bad. What about Enid? Oh, a beautiful skull. It's lovely. Enid, you've won.
Thank you! Wednesday, look at this terrifying skull. It's so interesting. Wait, I know what to do. Let's paint it pink. It's already so much better. But we're not there yet. I'm gonna add some rhinestones. Nice! And a beautiful headband. Whoa! Fantastic!
Oh no!
Cool! Wednesday, look at the teacher!
I found a whole spaceship for you. Are you ready to draw it?
Wednesday, I'm gonna win!
Yeah!
Let's start. We'll see who wins. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I'll definitely get the best alien ship. I can already imagine flying into space away from Enid. There we go. Look at me go. You know what? I've got a great idea for our universe. Yes. There we go. My 3D pen is doing magic.
I need to choose the color first. Red! Yep, it fits. Let's make a funny flying saucer. How funny it is already! There we go. Filling it in. It's cute, but doesn't look like the original one. What?
Whoa, your time is up. Wednesday? Whoa, that is really good. What about Enid? Show me.
Oh, it's stuck to the pen!
That won't do. Wednesday wins. Come here, take your prize. I'll be able to fly into space and see all the alien life. Thank you. It's pretty cool here. Bye, everyone. I'm off to space. Whoa, I'm on Mars. How cool. There's so many aliens. You probably want to know something about people. Let's start by learning our traditional dances. Keep it up.
Hello.
A new round means a new prize. High time! I've got an incredible backpack for you. You will definitely like it. But wait a little. There are sweets inside. You can compete for it. Your time is on.
Awesome! I can handle it 100%. That cute character named Cromie is right on the backpack. I'll try it. I can definitely do it. There's nothing complicated about this task. And then I can enjoy goodies from the backpack. Wow! It's already looking incredible. Well, I am done. I'll play on my phone.
Oh, Enid, you're being childish. I'll definitely do better. Charging my pen and starting the drawing. Kurami's pretty familiar to me. I love this character. Well, I used to love it. Collected all the toys with it. The most beautiful, gloomy character. I'm not really attracted to the backpack, but for what's inside of it. I love sweets. Who doesn't like it? I have to win. That's my duty. I think I'm done. Oh, and it made a great pancake again. I'll use a long fork. And throw it outside. Girls, your time is up. Wednesday? Oh, that is beautiful. And it? I'm sorry, but there's nothing. But I made a pancake! Where is it?
Oh, man!
If Enid has nothing, then Wednesday wins. The prize is entirely yours. Great. Enid, I'm ready to share with you. Do you want something?
Yes. Of course! My favorite candies! Thank you, Wednesday. It's good.
You're welcome. I love Fanta. A new round means a new prize. Look what I've prepared for you. A robot doggy. It even has a remote control. Time is on.
Well, I'm gonna get to drawing. Wednesday, have a nice round. Starting with black outline. I'm gonna get a cute doggy. Filling in all the details with colorful dough. And then filling the whole doggy with white dough. Perfect! It is so good.
Okay, now I'll try. It's definitely gonna be beautiful. Look, it's even gonna be 3D. It's much better. Next is the body. I'll make all the parts separately. Now the head. It remains to collect everything. Connecting all of the parts. And making a tail. Oh! Time is up! Wednesday, show me what you did. Oh, that is a cute little dog. Great. Enid? Oh, Enid. Your dog is even cuter. I don't even know who guessed the price. You both win a doggy. And you can share the toy with each other.
Of course! Wow! Okay.
Put it down.
Wednesday! That is cool! Give me the remote!
Stop.
Oh no! It's broken! Our dog! It's